Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from mpiinvest.com. Well, I was a little busy on my personal front, and somehow had this feeling that this Friday was a holiday, and that's exactly what I spoke. And I wasn't totally in the impression that this Friday was a market holiday, but then I realized that it was not. And then, of course, then how could we miss the market podcast? Well, coming to the market yesterday, of course, being expiry, the market was volatile. And interestingly, a 17600 was an important support that was taken multiple times, and it has not been broken yesterday also. But then, the markets were totally volatile, and as it has been, history last few days, the market would start off with a fall and then slightly recover by end of day. So that continued yesterday as well. However, it was a good week for us at MPA family who were trading in gold and gold plus by making some decent returns for this week. So overall, it was a good end of expiry, I would say. So apart from that, if you look at the market yesterday, there were no big movements in any stock. So whatever movements happened, everything recovered. Either the stocks that lost recovered by end of day, stocks that rose up came down by end of day. So it was not a day of any major movements in the stock market, but then it was of course a decent consolidation. Probably because of course the important results were yet to come. Like Reliance results are expected today after market hours, and of course the effect of that will be seen only on Monday. So but one good thing yesterday I would say is the IT sector was trying to recover but did not. Of course, there was the fear in the market about HCL results, and interestingly, HCL results were kind of good, better than expectation, I would say. So this is kind of probably giving some positivity to IT sector. In fact, ADRs in the US are already trading slightly positive. That means we could see some positivity in the IT sector today. So, well, it is time probably that IT sector kind of stops falling from here. Even Sand came up with results yesterday; they also were good. So, with all this, probably things can kind of give a confirmation that things are not that really bad at IT sector, and probably can stop falling from here. So that is the expectation for IT sector. That's of course a good news because if you see the fall in Nifty, it all started with the Infosys results. TCS results, of course, weakened the Nifty, and then Infosys results and the 10% fall in Infosys did drive did drive Nifty itself down, and looks like things are going to recover from here. Now, 17600 is a very important level to watch, which I am not expecting to be broken today. But of course, intraday it might be broken, but by closing it might recover. But if at all it is broken by the closing, then things can turn a little bearish. However, the major focus will be on Reliance result now, which will be coming after the market hours. Last quarter, results were not great for Reliance, and right now Reliance is trading close to its 52-week low. So now any bad news from Reliance can actually break it from 52-week low, which can actually take the Reliance stock prices much lower. But if you look at some good news coming in fact, they say that as per the recent report, Geo 5G has had a greater expansion in India compared to Airtel, Bharti Airtel. So that's not a small margin, but a huge margin of I think 2 or 3x. So that is kind of a good news for Reliance. And of course, the upcoming and oncoming and off the on and off of windfall tax is kind of affecting the petroleum sector, and hence Reliance is getting affected there. But if you look at the retail sector, they are kind of doing good. So with all this, we really can see a mixed bag of results from Reliance is what I expect. So will that meet expectation, or will that be better than expectation or lower than expectation is something that we need to find out. So all that is something that we'll know by end of day, and the effect of that on the market can be seen by Monday. So let's see how things turn. Based on that, we will plan our investments. So of course, I have been doing SIP mode of investment to IT sector, and I've been sharing that to the community as well. So that should kind of take care by this few weeks is what I feel. So that's it for now. Let's look forward to a great weekend. So for MPA members, let us catch up on Sunday, and others also let us catch up on the market pulse at 7 p.m. on Sunday. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth signing off. But before we leave, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share, And do share the podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day.